Okay, so I have this little mold making kit, which obviously I've used before. I believe I bought these from Temu. So they're little connectors for making bracelets. You have the little hooks on both sides, as well as a bunch of cabochons. So what I'm gonna do, I may make some as is and just put something underneath, but I do want to make a mold of some of these so that I can fill them with resin and try to make a little bracelet that's a little different. So they're very small. That's the size of them. They're pretty small. So I'm going to go ahead and tape the bottom of this so that they'll stick. I'm just going to go ahead and stick them in here. I think 10 probably is good. I don't think I'd need more than that for one bracelet, so let's just go with that. This is double clipped and taped on the bottom, and then I have my little cabochons in there. So I think part of my cloth got on here, but that's okay. Hopefully it won't affect anything. I think I'm gonna do, because this is a different grade of silicone, I'm gonna go ahead and pour that and make an inlay. Okay, so I have this Nick Pro silicone rubber, and I'm going to mix it 1:1 by weight, and it says it will be cured in 3 to 6 hours. So I have my little pocket scale here. Let me get that to 0. And I'm not going to worry about the tear because I'm using 2 of the same exact cups for each part, but I am going to go ahead and get my mask on for safety, and I'll put on some music for you.
Sometimes I wonder what you're thinking. You're smiling a little differently. I wonder if it's up for me. Start of October, the foliage of color, we fall like the autumn leaf. I keep growing like an evergreen.
I just wanted to see if this was cured, and I was able to demold one of these already, which was pretty cool. So that'll make a interesting inlay and something. That's one piece, and I'm just gonna keep them on this plastic here. So let's see if I get this out. Okay, because it's a different type of silicone, I've seen Claire's Crafty Corner do this as well. I was able to pour it directly into the mold and make my own silicone inlays. So that's two. Now let's see about this hummingbird. Let's see. Okay, let's see how this came out. Yeah. Okay. Try not to rip it. Okay, now that is, oops, that is pretty interesting too. There's one little piece there. I'm gonna have to get my scissors. I'm gonna do that now. And cut that off. But this would look very nice in probably like a tray or something. Now I have all these. I know this went under and had a little bit of spillage there. Okay, just put that there. Something else about this silicone rubber is I keep it because you can add it in and it'll cure again on something else. So let's just see. Interesting. Let's see if this worked. Okay. Oh yeah, look at that. Wow, cool. Little fan. There's a little snowflake. And I can cut off the excess here. I see there's a little over pour, but with this one, I just want to make sure I get it all in there. It's interesting. Okay. Very cool.
'Cause baby, like, ooh, it's all another flower lay. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day. 'Cause baby, like, ooh, it's all another flower lay. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day.
In the sun
'Cause baby, like, ooh, it's all another flower lane. The sun goes around the state.
Okay.
Can't wait for the long
Again, I'll reuse all this excess.
It's all another flower lane. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day.
Okay, so this one, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut off all of this excess where it poured over, and I can reuse that to add into something else because it'll all meld together. I've done it before. If you if you use the same kind of silicone, it will go together. Okay, so these I'll be able to reuse again. That's cool. They just snap right out. And that way I can design them. If maybe I can leave some clear and then do some in different colors whenever I make my bracelet. But they just pop out, and I'll give those a little wash prior to using them again. But now I have 10 little cabochon molds for my bracelet making. And I still have the original cabochons. So that is that. There we go. Okay. Now, I do have another one of this mold, so I can choose to sacrifice it, or I can put it back together. It seems like I'm gonna be able to get it out. Awesome. Okay. I could just put a rubber band around this and still use it, so it's not completely destroyed. Here's the owl. He is missing a foot, but look how cute. And that is silicone, so I can put that into another project. That's cool. Like that. Very cute. My one-footed owl. All right, so that's all. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will be back to do something else with these. We'll see what happens. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a wonderful day. Bye.